Your perfect hotel room for the perfect price. TripAdvisor. One day it appears.
Hello.
Dark spot.
I've been awake for about 30 minutes and this is like what I needed to do today to help clear out my closet. This is going to be a quick video. I have some things laid out in front of me that I'm going to go through and show you, but basically it is my current declutter list. I'm just going to hold things up and show you what I need to get rid of. Cool. I'm going to start with what's over here. First up, the Violet Voss Matte About You. This is barely touched. The Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I've used this like once. This is the Nightingale by Pretty Vulgar. Plastic still on. Very cool tone palette. I don't know. I feel like I have these shades. This is the Crown Pro palette. This is BoxyCharm. This is BoxyCharm as well. I have colors like this all over the fucking place. Now look at this. Does this not remind you of 2018 BoxyCharm? Whew. Okay, so we'll start from the bottom. The BoxyCharm and Pure palette. The Soiree Diaries palette. The Pure Sculptor palette. Everyone and their mama, when they reviewed their BoxyCharms, were like, these shades are too dark and these two are great. End result, my only 2 cents on that is no one can please everyone. This is the Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. I still have the plastic protectors on both of these sides. It's kind of weird. This is the Dream Street Kathleen Lights ColourPop collab, and I'm still debating on if I want to depot this literally one red shade, but I figure I shouldn't. Winky Lux the Kitten palette, X BoxyCharm. That's what it looks like. This is the coolest thing, the shape of the mirror being a guitar. I mean, it's not helpful. I have these colors. That's my thing, is like, I'm not going on a low buy. I'm not going on a no buy. I just have like this. All of this. And then I keep my foundation in the drawers down here. I'm back. The Bare Minerals Invisible Light Translucent Powder Duo. I believe this was in my first BoxyCharm. What am I gonna do with it? This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Kit. Sticker still on the damn mirror. This is a Jeffree Star Skin Frost. Now look, the only reason why I'm getting rid of this Mama Jamma right here.
Oats have a soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which can help lower cholesterol.
It's great. I've done some really pretty eye looks with this, but it's a 15-gram pan of eyeshadow. Does anybody know how long it took me to pan a 1.3 gram bronzer? This is a set of 3 from the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and what I love is on the brushes it says step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, step 3 go girl go. So these are the most recent Luxie brushes. They're gold. Ooh, gold. Remember when Kylie Cosmetics launched and she had these like limited edition? Oh my god, get it while it lasts shades. This is Dead of Night. This is fun. So, anybody remember that ColourPop eyeshadow from my project pan last year I couldn't even touch? Well, I have 2 ColourPop shadows. Literally, that's it. I don't have any other. I've gotten rid of like the 3rd one that I had. But one is Acorn and one is Birthday Cake. Talk about excessive spending. Because they're both in 6-pan packages, I felt the need to get both of them. Did somebody tell me what logic I was sporting that day? This is the Call of the Canyon by MAC Cosmetics. Now look, you might be thinking, ain't nothing special about that. First of all, you might be right. I have 2 flying saucers. Prosecco Pot was actually sent in a BoxyCharm. And then this is my OG, because Jaclyn Hill made me buy it. Champagne Pop. This is actually very pretty, but I just don't have any space for it in my world. This is also a BoxyCharm thing. Okay, let me tell you something. See this? You hear it rattling inside of its box? Here's mine that I actually use. Why I have 2 is the reason why I don't want to ever be considered or call myself or even identify as a mega hoarder. I love magnetic packaging though. This is completely untouched, and there is something so aesthetically pleasing about this solid red on red on red on red on red. It's just so freaking pretty to look at. This is the last of what needs to go away. So this is by Melt Cosmetics. This is the blush light in Electra. I just wasn't as impressed. Is it cute? I have these two bronzers. They both had dragons printed on them, and the dragon's not really there anymore. And I also have these adorable baked blushes. So hopefully I can clear some of this out of my collection, because you can see it's got nowhere to go. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this little tra-la-la, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!